Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Pat the chicken completely dry so coatings adhere. Once done, set a 3-station line, seasoned flour, an egg wash mixed with a splash of milk, and your breadcrumbs. Make sure to season both flour and breadcrumbs because flavor on the surface helps adhesion. Dredge in flour first to create a dry base, shake off excess, and move immediately into the wet egg wash so the crumbs have a sticky surface to grab on. Once the chicken is in the crumbs, press firmly for at least 10 to 15 seconds on each side. You want the crumbs compacted into the egg layer. Make sure to use flakes like panko for mechanical grip, and mixing a teaspoon of oil into the crumbs helps them cling and brown. After coating, place pieces on a wire rack and rest for about 10 minutes so the egg proteins set and the crumb bonds take hold before any high-heat cooking step. You finish by cooking at controlled heat to lock the crust, 350 to 375 degrees F for frying or 400 degrees F in the oven for baking. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan, and flip only once using gentle tongs to avoid shear. If crumbs shed during cooking, quickly re-dredge the exposed area in egg and press fresh crumbs tightly, then chill for 10 to 15 minutes to set. That rest step is
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.